Hi peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today is our week 2 update for Shout's Great Create. So before we get into this week's crafts, I just want to quickly show you a recap of the things that I created over the last 8 days. I've tried to do something a bit different. I've tried to do things that step outside of my comfort zone. So we're starting here on day 9 with a resin cover minder or resin magnet. I'm sticking with the theme of the blue heart, using lots of sparkles, lots of glitter, and I had these lovely dried flowers that I hadn't had a use for, so it was really nice to find something to do with that and get that lovely blue flower in there. If you happen to see my post review for the GBFKE items, then you will have seen this craft already. These are the diamond art earrings that I took the existing kit and then switched out the colours for diamonds that I already own so that I could continue my blue heart theme. Day 11, I decided to try a new craft, a bit of glass painting. I'm just using a small sort of shot glass sized tea light holder and painting using my acrylic paint pens and then some glass paint that I had got in a kit a while ago. I'm quite pleased with how it turned out, but I think maybe I need to invest in some more quality glass painting equipment. Day 12 was my second ever attempt at punch needle. I really enjoyed this kit. It was super simple to do, worked up really quickly, and I love the colours. No heart this time, but still keeping with the blue, so tying it back to the Shout Great Create theme. I'm just going to leave you to enjoy this time lapse as I time lapsed most of the process of me completing this one. Day 13, I went back to a craft I haven't done for a few years, pin craft. Previously, the pin craft projects I've done have been kits. In this case, I went freestyle. I already had a small polystyrene heart, so painted it and then just began decorating it, making it up as I went along until I was happy with the finished result, which can then be hung as a decoration or just kept as a curio. For day 14, I thought I would tackle some mindful doodling and create a Zentangle based around the idea of hearts yet again, and including things like the shout text number, the word shout, great create, so that it's still tied back in with the event that we're following. I didn't complete an entire page, but I think I might go back and add to this as and when I feel inspired to do so. And for today's craft, I put together an acrostic poem. Shout's great create. Stretch your creative muscles. Have a go at something new. One craft every day, updated every day in June. Tell all your friends to join the fun. Shout about it to everyone. Getting help can seem quite hard. Reach out to Shout by text. Every message is important, obviously, and will be treated with respect. Text Shout to 85258. Craft anything you like. Remember to have fun. Everyone can help a little and change the future for someone. Tell others how to donate to Shout. Every pound or penny counts. If you would like to support this fundraiser, there will be a link in the description and in the pinned comment. Please do consider liking this video, sharing it with a friend. Why not subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty!